I'm Senator Sherrod Brown. Sorry I can't be with you in Columbus today. My thanks to Ohio State's Food Innovation Center for inviting me to speak, and especially for the important work that you do. To those of you not fortunate enough to be from our state, welcome. I hope you enjoy our capital city. There's no question that agriculture is important to our state. 1 in 7 Ohio jobs is connected to agriculture and food. But we have so much untapped potential, and that's where our innovation comes in. A few years ago, I was visiting in Minster, Ohio, the largest yogurt manufacturer in North America, Dannon Yogurt Plant. And I remember as I walked through the plant, they used to bring in these plastic cups from a supplier, the silver large silver tanks of fermenting milk. They'd squirt the yogurt into the cups, seal them, package them, and ship them. And a young engineer, industrial engineer, and a couple of people who had worked on the line for 15 or 20 years said, we can do this much better. And they devised a pretty simple, if you're an engineer, process where you simply, you have a roll of plastic, you feed it into this machine, it heats it, it extrudes it, it slowly cools it, and in one process you can package the yogurt and ship it off. Dannon workers proved on that day that, to me, when I saw it, that food production and manufacturing go hand in hand. And since innovation is key to our economic competitiveness, we must continue working to find ways to improve. And those ways often are on the floor, on the manufacturing floor, because they make product innovation, they make process innovation. That's why I want them in this country rather than shipping this production overseas and losing our innovative edge. As the first Ohioan on the Senate Ag Committee in more than 40 years, I was proud to be on the 2014 House-Senate Conference on the Farm Bill, and I'm proud of our work to bring the bill to the President's desk earlier this year. The 2014 Farm Bill includes one of my provisions to expand access to healthy local food and to provide support for producers to grow their businesses and create the jobs as close to the farm as possible. As Americans look to lead healthier lifestyles, as we better understand the important links between diet and health outcomes, as business owners, as physicians, as policymakers, we must rise to meet these new opportunities. That's why this summit's so important. Talk to one another, brainstorm ideas, and network with each other. We need to keep the conversation going about how we grow our food policy and invest in the agriculture sector. Thank you so much again for the invitation to speak today. I look forward to our continued work together.